Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove object on snap in a Snapchat. So if you are capturing the snap and in that specific snap there is something which is disturbing or irritating you, you guys can simply remove it by just clicking on or by just brushing on it. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. In order to use the latest version, you have to just simply open up Play Store and simply search for Snapchat and make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So after updating your Snapchat application, simply click on open to open up the Snapchat. So after that, you have to just simply capture a snap or select the snap from your phone or gallery. So assume that I'm just capturing a snap here. So after capturing the snap, you have to just simply go to this erase object icon, which is eraser icon. So what you have to do is simply brush that specific area which you want to remove. So I just want to remove this bell here, and I have to just simply brush it carefully. So after brushing it, you guys can see hula, it has removed that specific bell from here. In this way, you guys can remove anything, any object from your snaps, and you guys can make your snap more appealing and more beautiful or more engaging. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.